who can do any work in this world, because people come out and say that they are a magician. I know that those people are liars. They are liars. They can't do anything what I can do, because I'm the only person who holds a key of magic. There is no one in this world who can hold that key of magic. So if you don't have anything, don't be sitting on the TV top lying to people. Just come to me. Tell me, oh, I want to do this work and I don't have powers. I'll give you powers to do what you want. You understand? That's why I call myself a spiritual godfather, the king of spirit in Northern region. I'm the only person who holds key of magic. There is no one in this world can challenge me. And I'm not boasting myself. I deserve that name. That's why they give that name to me. You understand? You are the watching me. Just watch me. Watch me very well. You understand? I am talking to you. You are the one watching me. I'm talking to you. Be careful for 419 people. So what are you waiting for? Pick my number. If you don't have phone, write it on the wall. Maybe one day you may need it. You pick my number and call me. I dare for you anytime. You understand? Because if I hold this kind of magic and I'm sitting down, I don't use it to help people. When I die, God will ask me, what did you, I give you a gift, what do you use it for? I told you that I use it for people. So I don't know what to explain. You understand? And some problem there. And I want to tell Ghanaian people that you can see a lady come on TV talk, say that they are also a magician. I know that a lady, if a lady have this kind of powers, unless what? It's not getting his bleeding again. Because a lady cannot get this kind of powers. Knowing that those people are 419 people. But you people are blind. You people are blind. So today I want you people to shine you people eyes. Because going for a lady to help you, what is the problem? You can be someone that come to a TV top and say that maybe she's doing Busumsika. What is Busumsika and God's money? What is the difference of that? You understand? So you people, stop that. Stop what you are doing. If you don't have anything, better go and find a good job to do. You understand? Now that person, he don't know what to, he flog people again. He say now she's doing Sikagare. What is Sikagare? I never hear that kind of thing in my life. You understand? So I want to tell Ghanaian people is that me, I'm called Nana Magani, the spiritual godfather, the king of spirit in Northern region. If you come to me, I give you 1 hour, 30 minutes, your problem will solve. If it is instant money, packet no dry, you need a court case, you are a cocaine dealer, you want to be transport your cocaine to abroad, I'm the only person who can do that. You understand? And if you are a businessman and you want your business to be going, people will be seeing you and know that maybe this time you are somebody. You pick my number and come to me. I'm the only person who can help you to achieve what you want. You understand? Because don't follow that 419 people. You will borrow someone money. Go to prosper, not knowing that they will put you into jail. Because of what? You borrow someone money. You can't go back to your family. So you listen careful. You are the one who watching me. Listen careful. And shine your eyes. Don't let somebody just develop you like that. It's paining me. Why? Why? Why is it that you can't come to me? Just come to me and see what is magic and know that magic is still resistant in this world. Don't go and follow that 419 people. And they will deceive you, lie to you. Understand? Somebody can feel call me. Like, just look at me. I'm greater person in the whole nation. Somebody can feel call me and ask me that I want to do this work. So he believes that the work can do. Why? Because of 419 people. They don't believe us again. Me, that's why I don't come on TV talk to be suffering myself because of 419. If you come on TV talk, they will know that. They will think that maybe you are also a 419 people. Not knowing that you are a good person. It's paining me. It's paining me. One day, you people be careful. One day, you may be arrested. One day, the 419 people, especially Tochima people, you should be careful for what you are doing. One day, you people may be arrested. One day, because you should stop 419 people. Better, if you want to do this job, better go and follow the right person. He will teach you or he will give you powers so that you can do this work. He will give you powers. You can do this work. You understand? So it's not maybe I'm just sitting talking too much. I have it. My grandfather died and left this power to me. Everybody know my grandfather, Chief Okona from Sam. Everybody know my grandfather. He's the only person who can command rain within 30 minutes and the rain comes. And who can command rain and told the rain that it should stop within in the seconds the rain will stop. He's the only person who can do that. Who set that record before? So this kind of spirit I'm holding, I inherited that spirit from my grandfather. It's not that it's a 419 spirit that I'm using. It's not the 419 I'm using. So I want to advise you people. Better stop what you are doing. Better stop what you are doing and go and find a better job to do. Like me, there is no anything about spiriting I can do. I give safari bet, lotto number. If you want to make a rich, I can make you rich. I'm the only person who can remove poor man into a riches. I'm the only person who can do that. You understand? And if I give you lotto number, and that number I give you, and the number didn't come, just ask me that I'm not a spiritual godfather. And since I was born, and I inherited this kind of spirit, I never lied to someone, and I never do work for someone and the work fail. So if you are US, Canada, America, anywhere, even Asia, Japan, Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, all over the world, try to pick my number, call me. And if you want to see me live, you should go to YouTube. Type the spiritual godfather or Nana Magani, the spiritual godfather. You see me on YouTube. You understand? So that's why I just want to tell Ghanaian people that they should know that there is truth day and light day. Me, I never lied to someone before. And I want to ask Ghanaian people one thing. If someone have to tell me that because of 419 people, if someone have to tell me that they do instant money to him before, they should pick my number and call me. I'm the only person who can do that because there is 419. Because when you take your money to them, they will take your money and chop. You will not get what you want. I'm the only person who can do that kind of work to people. So try and pick my number and call me. You will know that there is magic day. There is no 419 magic. I'm holding. Yeah. That's why I told you that I'm the only one who can turn white into black, who can turn black into red. I'm the only person who can do that. There is no one in this world. I'm the only person who holds a key of magic. So if I don't open it for you people, how can you use magic? Because that's why they call me spiritual godfather, the king of spirit. I'm the only person who can do that. There is no one in this world. You understand? So that's why I want to tell Ghanaian people that. And I want to come to pastors. Those are fake pastors. Those fake pastors. Stop what you are doing. One day I was sitting in my television watching TV. Someone come on TV talk, planning someone that somebody came to Tamale and they do money spiritual for that person. And the person bring that money. The time he reach home, the money turned to salt. So he bring him to in church. So that day you want to spoil Tamale people's name. That we are the person who do that kind of work. I want you to tell you, pastor, and you know that you want to spoil Tamale people's name. You call yourself God, you are a son of Jesus. So why is it that police arrest you? So don't try to be spoiling Tamale people's name. You understand? You are the one I'm talking. You call yourself a son of Jesus. So why is it that like the way I'm sitting in this my room, if they bring all the world police come to my room, they will not see me unless I'm the one talk to them, and they know that I'm inside the room. So you call yourself son of Jesus. So why is it that police arrest you? So stop what you are doing. Better go and learn a job. Stop what you are doing. You want to spoil Tamale people's name. That day paid me. I told myself that this man, you will get problem before they will spoil your name before you spoil Tamale people's name. Do you understand me? They will spoil your name before they spoil Tamale people's name. So what reach? We are running to Tochima. We didn't reach Kintampo. So why? Who failed? They arrest you. Like the way I'm here sitting. No. I can't call myself son of Jesus and they arrest me in my room. They will enter but they will not see me. Either they took my wives and go, but they will not see me. Because I'm king of spirits. No one in this world. I'm not boasting, but no one in this world. Because that's why my grandfather was boasting. He have magic. It's not 419 magic in soul. You understand? And if you need an instant money, if you come to me, less than 1 hour, 30 minutes, you will get it. And that my society, look at them, that my society, look at them. My society, if you come to, and if you are a businessman, I like that way. And we are businessman, come and join my society. I give you 3 days for you to achieve what you want. You count yourself among richest or rich in this world. And if you are a woman, I give you 4 days. You count yourself among richest and rich in this world. You understand? And you are not doing anything, and you want you to receive the money in spiritual way. The money will be coming to you in your room anytime. So it's not a map that I'm talking. Like I will not do something because a spiritual godfather cannot sit a TV topic. I just want to do something and people to see that, knowing that, oh, there is magic day, not a lights. You understand? There is magic day, it's not a lights. Cameraman, watch this thing. Watch it very well. What is inside? What is inside? Nothing. Oi! Oi! Gaun, passara gaun, alisana gaun, sono gaun, bukan gaun. Oi! Bani ma yaja malisana burgomo papantuma, kasawle me kaji. Oi! Yawa alisane. Momaje, pasara momaje, sono momaje, nimjar momaje. Bukan momaje. Mi fuma pa jara pa kontamba tale sombrugno pa fantuma. Oi! Yawa alisane. Hoi! Mi fuma pa jara pa kontamba tale sombrugno pa fantuma ka sawle mi kaji. Zomna! 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 Oi! Come! Hi! Jindu! Hi! Jindu! Zomna! I can see I'm the only person who can command money. There is no one. I'm the only person who can command money. Oi! Hi! Gandu! Pasara gandu, alisunu gandu, sonu gandu, nimber gandu, opanu gandu. Oi! Gandu! Pasara gandu, alisunu gandu, sonu gandu, nimber gandu, opanu gandu. Oh, I'm the only person who can command money. See, this is the money. If you want the money, you come. Come and see. Come. If you want the money, you come. Come and see. Come and see dollars. If you want money, like the way I'm doing it, you come. Come for your problem, and your problem will solve. I'm not a 419 person. come for your problem and your problem solved. This is the money. You come for your problem and your problem solved. I'm not a 419 person. I can command money like something. I'm the only person who holds a key of magic. If you need this kind of money, come to me and your problem will solve. Come to Nana Magani, the spiritual God's father. Come and see life, miracle, anything you want in this world, you can get it. I'm the only person who can change your life. I'm the only person who can take you out of shame. I'm the only person who can solve all your problems, all your wishes, do your wishes. I'm the only person who can do whatever you want to do. I'm the only person who can command money. This is the money. Look at it. This is the money. Dollars, Ghana cedis. Look at it. This is the money. Cameraman, watch it. This is the money. I'm the only person who can do that. You understand? So please, my brother and sister, if you want me, try and pick my number and call me. My WhatsApp number is in the phone. If you want to chat me on WhatsApp, then you take my number, WhatsApp, or call me direct. And if you want to call me, you call me on WhatsApp video call and see that it is the greater man himself that you are talking before you chat with that person. You understand? And when you want to come to me, anytime you want to come to me, just try to contact me before you come, because 419 people data money. They can develop you. And you can take my badness and go back. You understand? So if you need this kind of money, what are you waiting for? Just pick my number. My WhatsApp number is 0244 195968. That is my WhatsApp number. Try and pick my number and call me. You understand? Your problem will solve. If you need anything in this world, spiritual problem, mental problem, you're sick, you need money, you want to be a quick rich, come and join my society. You'll be a quick richer. So if you need a money to be a richest, to be a rich, just pick my number and call me. I'm the spiritual Godfather, the King of Spirits. Pick my number and call me. I did for you 24 hours. If you pick my number and call me, I'm the only person who can take you out of your softness. There is no one. You understand? I'm not a 419 people. I'm the only person who can command money like this. And this is a small thing. You understand? This is a joke. Because it's a small thing. If I want to command money full of this room, I can still do it. But you want to see the truthness, come to me myself and see what is there. You will know that maybe, yes, it's not that just I'm sitting at TV top, just lying to people. It's not like that. You understand? So if you have a court case, you are a cocaine dealer, you are a politician, and you want to win an election, call me and come to me. I will let you win an election. And as I'm sitting down there, go to Facebook. I command something there. That I'm the spiritual Godfather. I know who will win the election. So if you want to believe me. And if you want to know who really I am, just pick my number on the screen and call me and come to me and tell me your problem. Your problem will solve. You understand? So people in UK, US, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Congo, Benin, so and so, try to pick my number and call me. Maybe today when I'm sitting here, I want to thank people, Ghanaian people, those who are watching me live on this TV talk. I want to tell you people, may good luck, but try to contact me and tell me your problem. Bye-bye.